Hey, what's up guys? We've seen great smartphone releases this year, from flipping smartphones to rolling prototypes and much more. Coming to the end of 2020, let's find out the best smartphones of 2020. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Okay, so here we have 6 categories, and in each category there might be a single winner or 2 winners. Okay, so the first category is the best low-end budget smartphone of 2020. And I have 2 smartphones up for this, the Realme Nazo 20 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy M21. Both these smartphones offer great value and great specs for the competition.
The Realme Nazo 20 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 SoC, which is a really powerful processor for its price. It also has a 65-watt super fast charging, and it also has a 90Hz display. Coming to the Samsung Galaxy M21, it runs on the Exynos 9611 SoC. It has a triple camera setup which includes a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. It comes with 4 GB of RAM as standard with 64 gigs of storage.
The next category is the best budget smartphone of 2020. And of course, it's the OnePlus Nord. And along with that, we have another winner too. It's the Samsung Galaxy M51.
The OnePlus Nord got OnePlus back inside the budget price bracket. It had really good specs which included a Snapdragon 765G as its processor, and camera-wise it was pretty decent.
And the best mid-range smartphone of the year 2020 is the Apple iPhone SE 2020. The iPhone SE 2020 was a game-changing move by Apple. It gave flagship specs under a low price with the best operating system a mobile could get.
The iPhone SE 2020 was powered by Apple's A13 Bionic chip. It had the same dimensions of an iPhone 8. Its only concern was the battery life.
And the best gaming smartphone of the year 2020 is the Asus ROG Phone 3. And along with that, I want to mention other smartphone too. It's the Lenovo Legion Dual Phone.
The Asus ROG Phone 3 was powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC. It also has air triggers to enhance gaming. It has a 144Hz 6.59-inch AMOLED display. And along with that, it has a humongous 6000 mAh battery.
And the best camera smartphone of the year 2020 is the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 5.
The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 12 megapixel primary lens, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. And for more stabilized videos, it also has a sensor shift stabilization feature. The Google Pixel 5 has a dual camera setup which includes a 12.2 megapixel primary lens and a 16 megapixel ultra-wide lens.
And the best flagship smartphone of the year 2020 is the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I would have also gone for the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, but then it's limited only to China.
The Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra has a 120Hz display, a 120x zoom, and has the fastest 120-watt fast charging. The iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra are one of the best smartphones you can buy out in 2020. Both of them have great cameras and great processors, and along with that give amazing build quality.
So that's it guys, thanks for watching. This is Siddharth and you're watching SickTech. Catch you in 2021. See ya.